3/10/24 was the judgment passed. So 3/2/2020 was the date of which the incident had taken place. Now it is alleged that on that fateful night, the appellant had killed two persons. Their names were namely one Mr. Mutanna Badiger and Bhimsi Shankar Gasti. These two victims who were allegedly killed by him. The prosecution heavily had relied upon last seen theory, and second aspect was in respect of injuries on his fingers. Third aspect was in respect of a vehicle which was found at the place, and fourthly, a statement which was made. There was an alleged injured person also. Unfortunately, that injured person died during the course of trial. So therefore, this case became circumstantial. So our argument before the Honorable High Court was basically put up in this way that the all evidences which were looked by the Sessions Court are not tenable in law. Firstly, 164 statement without the author of that statement being examined before the court cannot be looked into. Second aspect was 313 statement. I had clearly stated that police had assaulted me. So those injuries I had explained in my statement under 313. Also that bike, there was nothing to show that I had brought the bike and kept it there. And lastly, last seen theory. Last seen theory they miserably failed to prove because the witness did not say that I was in their company. It was our case that we had parted company. So another person doing this particular act could not be ruled out. So all this evidence was put out and read out before the Honorable High Court during our arguments, and Honorable High Court considered this plea of ours and has accepted the plea.